Ever feel like you're not quite getting the most out of NetSuite? Like it should be streamlining your business, but instead, it feels a little clunky? You're not alone. NetSuite is a powerful platform, packed with features designed to integrate and optimize your operations. But its very comprehensiveness can also be its Achilles heel. Without careful planning and execution, it's surprisingly easy to stumble into common pitfalls that can hinder efficiency, lead to inaccurate data, and ultimately cost you time and money. Think of NetSuite as a high-performance race car. In the hands of a skilled driver who understands its nuances, it can achieve incredible speed and precision. But in the hands of someone unfamiliar with its controls or who takes shortcuts, it can easily veer off course. So, if you're ready to ensure your NetSuite journey is a smooth and successful one, let's dive into some of the most common mistakes businesses make and, more importantly, how you can steer clear of them. One of the earliest and most impactful mistakes is poor planning and requirements gathering. Jumping into a NetSuite implementation without a clear understanding of your business processes, data migration needs, and reporting requirements is like building a house without a blueprint. You might end up with something functional, but it likely won't perfectly fit your needs and could require costly rework down the line. Take the time to thoroughly document your current workflows, identify pain points, and envision how NetSuite can address them. Involve key stakeholders from every department to ensure all perspectives are considered. This upfront investment will pay dividends in a smoother implementation and a system that truly aligns with your business goals. Closely related to poor planning is underestimating the importance of data migration. Your historical data is the lifeblood of your business. Migrating it accurately and efficiently into NetSuite is crucial for maintaining continuity and generating meaningful insights. Rushing this process or failing to cleanse and map your data correctly can lead to inconsistencies, errors, and a lack of trust in your new system. Dedicate sufficient time and resources to data cleansing, transformation, and validation. Understand the structure of your existing data and how it maps to NetSuite's fields. Consider using data migration tools to automate the process and minimize manual errors. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. A clean data foundation is essential for a successful NetSuite implementation. Another frequent misstep is neglecting user training. Implementing a powerful system like NetSuite is only half the battle. Your employees need to know how to use it effectively to realize its full potential. Failing to provide adequate training can lead to frustration, underutilization of features, and workarounds that defeat the purpose of having an integrated system. Invest in comprehensive training programs tailored to different user roles. Offer ongoing support and resources to help employees stay up to date with new features and best practices. Empowering your users with the knowledge they need will significantly boost adoption and productivity. Moving beyond the initial implementation, ignoring customization best practices can lead to significant headaches down the road. While NetSuite offers a high degree of customization to tailor the system to your specific needs, excessive or poorly executed customizations can create complexity, hinder upgrades, and increase maintenance costs. Strive for a balance between customization and leveraging standard NetSuite functionality. Carefully evaluate the necessity of each customization and adhere to best practices, such as using SuiteScript judiciously and documenting all changes thoroughly. Remember, less is often more when it comes to customizations. Furthermore, many businesses fail to establish proper roles and permissions. Granting excessive access to users can create security vulnerabilities and increase the risk of errors or even fraud. Conversely, overly restrictive permissions can hinder productivity and create unnecessary bottlenecks. Implement a robust roles and permissions framework based on the principle of least privilege. Regularly review and update user access as roles and responsibilities change. This ensures data integrity and protects your business from internal and external threats. Overlooking the importance of workflows and automation is another common mistake. NetSuite excels at automating repetitive tasks and streamlining business processes. Failing to leverage these capabilities means you're likely leaving significant efficiency gains on the table. Identify manual processes that can be automated through NetSuite's workflow engine. This can free up your employees to focus on more strategic activities, reduce errors, and improve overall efficiency. From automated order processing to approval workflows, Embracing automation is key to maximizing NetSuite's value. Ignoring regular system maintenance and updates can also lead to problems. NetSuite regularly releases updates that include new features, performance improvements, and security patches. Failing to stay current can leave you vulnerable to security risks and prevent you from taking advantage of the latest enhancements. Establish a schedule for regular system maintenance and testing. Stay informed about upcoming NetSuite releases and plan accordingly to ensure a smooth transition. Proactive maintenance is essential for a healthy and high-performing NetSuite environment. Another pitfall is not leveraging saved searches and reports effectively. NetSuite is a goldmine of data, but that data is only valuable if you can extract meaningful insights from it. Many businesses underutilize saved searches and reporting tools, missing out on critical information about their performance. Invest time in learning how to create and customize saved searches and reports to track key metrics, identify trends, and gain a deeper understanding of your business. Leverage dashboards to provide real-time visibility into critical data and empower data-driven decision-making. Finally, failing to engage with the NetSuite community and resources can limit your knowledge and problem-solving abilities. The NetSuite ecosystem is vast, with a wealth of information available through user groups, online forums, and official documentation. Actively participate in the NetSuite community, attend webinars, and explore the available resources. Learning from the experiences of other users and staying up to date with best practices can help you overcome challenges and optimize your NetSuite usage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.